Hello friends, I am your RJ from RJ Media 24 channel. You saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, you know the topic about this video. So we are suffering the problems for our Microsoft Office products in 2024. I show you when I go in my Word application, I get this notice. This copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. So I didn't even know when I activated this. They are asking me to change product key. So I never purchased any product from Microsoft. I don't have product key. And I cannot even get help for this illegal free application from Microsoft. What can we do? We can find the solution from File Explorer. Go to this PC. Go to Local Disk. Go to the Program Files. Go to Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office, not this one, this one. Go to Office 16, the first folder, and you can see this application on the third. Just select and left click on mouse, run as administrator 3 times. Okay, done. This is what we were supposed to do. Let's check it out if it is working. Oh, bad luck. It's not working. In YouTube, you can see a lot of videos. They are giving you a solution just like this. No other solution. So it will not work like this. Probably it worked in 2023 and in previous years. So in this year, 2024, it's not working anymore. Please let them know. I know they will not remove their videos. They got a lot of views on that. So I can give you an alternative solution. You go to your Microsoft Store. You look for Docs. Well, my network is not good. You look for Docs. So here you will get a lot of application for free, like this one, free. These are free. This one, free. So I got this one. You can see the logo. I got this one, and I can do everything on it, just like I was doing on the previous application. So this is what you can do, or if you have any more ideas to go on working on Word, you can choose these ways, not the way you are getting from YouTube. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and don't dive into the fake videos on YouTube. Stay tuned with me to get more ideas. I say like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.